updated on the website daily. And it showed in this most affected Tacloban city, only 382 houses were damaged until November 21st. But the reality was 58,000 houses were damaged. So this shows first almost 2 weeks, the government made decision based on the wrong number. So this shows if they could use satellite data more efficiently, they could make a better decision. So I think one of the benefits of the use of satellite data for disaster management is that they can get damage information much early, much quickly than conventional method. So I hope this methodology will be organized and will be used in future big disasters. So based on this bitter experience in Typhoon Haiyan, I started to design the new technical assistance project to change these problems. So as I explained, collection and sharing of information after disasters is very difficult for developing countries. And they also cannot afford the conventional sensors to get these informations. So it's very important to use cost-effective technologies like crowdsourced OpenStreetMap information or freely provided satellite information. So I created this technical assistance TA8884, applying space-based technology and information and communication technology to strengthen disaster resilience. This is the title. And I found the fund from Japanese government called Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction, JFPR, and I collected $2 million in total. And I selected 4 countries, Armenia, Bangladesh, Fiji, and Philippines, as a representative country of each region of ADB's operation. Armenia from Central and West Asia, Bangladesh from South Asia, Fiji from Pacific, and Philippines from Southeast Asia. And this project has been started from April this year, and I think currently my successor in ADB is selecting consulting firm, and it's almost at the final stage. And actually, this idea came from discussion with the Slayer Chuan sitting over there. I met him in GEO meeting, which Osamu-san presented in 2014, last year, in January, I think. And I met with them and discussed how OSM could change this kind of problems, and I created this one. And this is an overview of the activities. From top left, you can see community-based OpenStreetMap base map development. Because as I told you, the local information telling which building is hospital, or which building is school is important. But based on the current situation, the local volunteers, the number is not enough in developing countries. The volunteers who develop the OpenStreetMap are mainly in Europe, in United States, and in Japan, and they don't know which one looks like hospital. So building a capacity of community, affected community is very important. So in this project, we will conduct the capacity building program for local people to develop OpenStreetMap base map based on satellite data using existing laptop. And also, we will develop mobile phone application that can work offline, because offline is keyword. In developing countries after disasters, no communication is available. So they will go to the field and put building type or building size information and get back to where internet is available, like a city hall. And then they can upload this data to OpenStreetMap server. And once this map is developed, they can overlay with other hazard risk or evacuation mapping as a preparation for future disasters. So this is prevention and mitigation of disasters. And if disaster happens, it's about crisis mapping. They can take photos with GPS equipped smartphone, we will develop such application suitable for this purpose. And once they get this information, they will bring it to data management system to be installed in the local government office. And even without internet, they can upload it with ad hoc Wi-Fi or other physical cable, and they can understand the extent of damage on map, on OpenStreetMap background. And this data will be also combined with the satellite-based damage assessment provided for free by these international initiatives, and other geographic data can be also overlaid. And this data is of course in the local government, but also another important point is this data has a value for supporting rescue and other activities for disaster response. So we also plan to develop another mobile phone application that can work offline, which can download this data in the city hall, and people supporting recovery activities can browse this data to know which bridge is broken or which roads are blocked, something like that. So this development of these IT tools and capacity building will be conducted in 4 countries in coming 2 years. So as a conclusion, you can see OpenStreetMap and crisis mapping a very important tool for disaster risk management as a data source for developing countries where data is not available. And combination of OpenStreetMap data with satellite-based damage assessment can provide a valuable information for early stage of disaster response. And offline mobile application for OSM development, crisis mapping, and pricing information for disaster recovery is key to promote the use in developing countries. So let's keep an eye on this project. Thank you very much. 谢谢。